to my channel and thank you for watching. Today's video is a get ready with me video. My friend has just bought a beautiful house here and she's throwing a party for all the friends. We all friends are meeting there, so I'm going to create a look which is nothing over the top, but yes, I do look like as if I've got beautiful skin. There is a good news for all of you. Guess what? I'm sure you won't be able to guess. I am coming up with a new YouTube channel by the name of Beauty Bites by Konica. I get so many questions every single day from all of you on different topics wherein you have problems deciding your base, you want to learn a winged liner, you don't know how to do double cleansing, and Lord, what is hyaluronic acid? What skincare regimen do you need to follow? So I'm going to take all these topics on this new channel, which is going to be short and crisp videos for all of you, wherein I'm going to clear all your doubts and questions. So in case you have any questions which you want me to answer, please do write down in the comments below because I am going to answer them one by one. So let's jump straight into the video. I'm going to start with the illuminizing primer, and for this I'm using the Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer in number 1. I'm going to first apply it on all high points of my face, and whatever is left I'm going to blend it all over the face and neck. For today's look, I'm going to follow the technique of reverse contouring, and for that I'm using this MAC Studio Perfecting Stick in number NW50. I'm going to apply it with a Morphe M427 brush. I'll use this product to contour my cheekbones, my temples, my forehead, my jawline, and my nose. Now before starting the base, I am going to color correct my dark circles, and for this I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury corrector in medium 2. I'm going to apply it with the Sephora Pro airbrush concealer brush in number 57. For my foundation, I'm using the Dior Backstage foundation in shade 2.5N, and I'll apply it with this Morphe M427 brush. I'm going to apply it all over my face, leaving the areas where I contoured. This foundation is so sheer and buildable and it looks beautiful. The best part about this foundation is its availability in a lot of colors. It's available for cool tones, it's available for people who have warm tones, and also for people who are neutral. To make my base look seamless, I am going to set it with a damp beauty blender. All of you know how much I love beauty blenders. Nothing can give the same finish as a beauty blender can. For concealing, I'm using the holy grail product Tarte Shape Tip Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. And I'm applying it with the same Sephora brush. And again, for setting all this, I am using a damp beauty blender. apply the same concealer on my lid area as well as my eye primer. For my blush, I am applying the YSL Baby Doll Kiss and Blush in number 5, and I'm going to apply it with my ring finger on the apples of my cheeks. And finally set it with a damp beauty blender. Now to set everything in place, and before adding powder, I'll make sure that there are no creases under my eye area. And finally set it with the translucent powder from Laura Mercier. I'm applying this with this crown brush C100. I'm not going to apply this powder all over the face because I don't want the shine to go away. Now for my brows, I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 5. This is definitely a very easy peasy product for your brows. And now I'm going to set my eyebrows in place with this Indulgeo Essentials Brow Brow. I'm just going to spray my fixer on the Brow Brow Gel. Just swirl around my spoolie on it and apply it on my eyebrows. Now for my eyes, I'm using the Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Burnish. This is a beautiful gold bronze sort of a color, and I'm going to apply it all over the lid, starting from the inner corner till the outer corner. And I will apply the same pencil on the lower lash line as well. Just to make the eyeshadow look seamless, I'm going to blend it with a MAC 217 brush. Now I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I'm using the color Secret. With the same MAC brush, I am going to work with this color and blend my eyeshadow with this. I'm going to work with this color as a transition color. Now for adding little specks of glitter on top, I'm using the Chanel Illusion d'Ombre in Vision. It's a beautiful gold sort of a color in a glitter form, and I'm applying it with this Foccalure brush. Now it's time for my lashes, and I am going to curl my lashes with this eyelash curler from Umera. And now for the mascara, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Velvet primer and then the Velvet Noir mascara on top. I don't know, nowadays I don't feel like wearing lashes too much. I just want to work with a mascara perfectly so that my lashes look more voluminous. Now I'm going to spray this Morphe setting mist all over my face for adding that glow. I am using the iconic Illuminator in Original. This is definitely my favorite liquid illuminator. I'm going to apply the same illuminator on my brow bone and my inner corner of the eyes as well. Now to top this illuminator, I am using a powdered highlighter, and this one is from Laura Mercier in the shade Indiscretion. And to finish off this look, I am applying this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Raspberry Syrup. This is almost the same color of the kurta that I'm wearing right now. And whenever I apply dark colors, I don't want my lip line to be perfect. So I always blend it with a soft blending brush, and the brush that I'm using right now is this one from Kiko. It just gives that diffused look and it looks beautiful. And now, just to diffuse this color a little more, I'm applying this lip liner in the shade Boldly Bare from MAC on top of my lipstick. So that's the final look that I have created. I just love it. I love a beautiful glowy base, and that's what I have created. Nothing too much on top. I have not put lashes because I never wanted to make it too very formal. But yes, a pop of color on my lips, which will look so beautiful. Also, I'm wearing this beautiful Indian attire wherein I'm not going to wear anything in my ears, but yes, I did accessorize it with this beautiful neck piece. I hope you all would have enjoyed the video because I love creating all this for you all. In case you like the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.